Hello and welcome to the Big Ideas Art Studio. My name is Mrs. Mack, and in this video I'm going to show you some basic watercolor techniques that you can use for your art. So grab all your watercolor supplies and let's get started. Okay, so I have my watercolor supplies here. I have my paints, my water, I have a couple different brushes. I also have my watercolor paper or my mixed media paper. So hopefully you have access to a piece of paper that's made for painting, that's made to get wet. It's okay if you don't and you want to try and experiment on some different papers, but ideally you would have something that is made for painting. So I'm going to show you 8 different techniques today. I'm going to start with 4 on this page. So we're going to start with a wet on wet, which means I'm going to have a wet piece of paper and add wet paint on top of it. I'm going to show you a color gradation, which means the color is gradually getting lighter. I'll show you what it looks like when I leave a plastic bag to dry on my paper, and also an analogous color gradation. So analogous means next door to each other on the color wheel. I'm going to show you when I use one color and I blend it into an analogous color or a color next door on the color wheel. Okay, so the next 4 that I'm going to show you a Crayon Resist. So that is when I draw or make a drawing with a crayon or a variety of crayons on my paper, and then I paint over it with watercolor. I'm going to show you how to add some texture to your painting with some tissue. I'm going to show you what happens when you add salt, and then also a dry brush technique. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what it looks like when it's dry. So this is my salt. This is the tissue. And if I come over with the other one and peel this plastic bag off, very cool. So I can't wait to see how you use these watercolor effects in your artwork.
Thank you so much for making art with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future art lessons. I would also love to see how you used these watercolor techniques in your art. So have a grown-up take a photo of your art and upload it to Instagram. Make sure to tag me at the Big Ideas Art Studio. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.